Welcome to Pro Tool Reviews. What I want to show you today is Milwaukee's brand new 4916 2720 10-inch pole saw attachment. This is designed to integrate with a Powerhead with a Quik-Lok adapter, and let's open this box and take a look. Got the tool here. Let's pull this out. Make sure we don't lose any of the things that come with it. Set the box aside and get this cardboard off of here. So it comes with a manual, so you're going to want to keep that manual around just in case you forget how to use it. If you have any issues with it, you can refer back to this always in the future. So make sure you hold on to your manual. Looking at it, all right, we got a nice blade cover. Take that off, we get our saw. Now, this already comes with the chain pre-installed, so chain is on there. It's already actually tensioned as well, so I don't need to take that apart, but I think I will just to show you what happens underneath the cover. Now, what we do is we get a branch blade right there where we can go ahead and grab branches and pull those down if we need to. It does come with a reservoir right here, and what I do like about this reservoir is it's translucent, so we can see exactly how full it is without having to do anything crazy. Also, easy to remove cap on top. That is captured as well, so you can't lose the cap. And that guy tightens down on here. Should be not cross-threading. There we go. Tighten down. Let's open this up, take a quick look at the insides of this to see what it looks like with our included wrench. Now, there is no onboard storage for this, so don't lose it. It is a small enough size you can just kind of carry it in your pocket and pop this off. There we go. So inside of here, our bar, 10-inch bar. Our chain is already wound around there. We have our tensioning screw right here, which is this screw, and then here's our drive. I'm going to go ahead and install this back on here. This is a oil lubricated tool, so we're going to always want to make sure that we keep this well lubricated. Going to extend the longevity of your chain and bar if we keep it lubricated, and your cutting will go a lot smoother. Being that this is already tensioned enough, I'm not going to adjust the tension at this time, but normally if I was going to adjust tension, I would loosen this. And also right here on the plastic, molded in the plastic, tells you which direction to turn the screw in order to add or take tension off. But that is right here. You turn this screw right here to adjust your tension. So very simple. Just want to make this snug, but not so tight that the next guy can't get it off. Now, what's nice with the translucent reservoir is you can see exactly how much oil is in here without having to do anything other than just glance at it. As you can see here, beginning to fill up. I'm going to go ahead and fill this up because we're actually going to test it out. And there you have it. Now, as far as what Powerhead I'm going to integrate it with, I happen to have one right here. The Quik-Lok system works on this end. So what that does is this end of the tool will simply click into this end of my Quik-Lok head. Just line it up. Actually, make sure I have this loose. Insert that in there till it clicks, and then tighten up the thumb screw here, and now I'm actually ready to go. So I'm going to put a battery in here. Here's my trigger and control right here. Speed control is integrated on this Quik-Lok head. Simple as that. So Quik-Lok is pretty simple. Just slip it in there until it clicks, and then tighten up the thumb nut, and then you're ready to go. There's a whole bunch of other accessories in this system where we can add them to the power heads. But without further ado, let's go out there, try it out, see how this really does. All right, so there you saw us with some footage of using this pole saw out on a little project here at our shop, trimming up that oak tree out front. Some of the branches were quite large. I think the largest one we took out with this saw was about 4 inches, about that big, down to an inch or so. So no issue on any of those sizes. Obviously, the larger size, you have to go a little slower. I also do like the hook that's on here, so you can, snag a branch and pull it out of a tree if you have to. For a lot of folks, so I'm guessing for just trimming, light trimming some trees around your yard, this is gonna be more than adequate, especially if you've already invested in a Powerhead. I am curious, and drop me a comment below, would you rather have a dedicated pole saw or something more of an accessory like this? Would you pick up something like this? Drop me a comment below. If you like these videos, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on our next video. And as always, thanks for watching.